Welcome to the video where we'll uncover the secrets to making money on YouTube. If you want to turn your channel into a profitable venture, you've come to the right place. The YouTube Partner Program, YPP, is a monetization program created by YouTube that allows content creators to earn money from their videos through various revenue streams. To participate in the program and start monetizing their content, creators need to meet certain eligibility requirements set by YouTube. Here's an overview of understanding the YouTube Partner Program, eligibility requirements. To join the YouTube Partner Program, creators must fulfill the following eligibility criteria. Follow all YouTube policies and community guidelines. B. Reside in a country or region where the YouTube Partner Program is available. C. Have at least 1,000 subscribers on their channel. D. Accumulate 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Meeting these criteria is essential for creators to unlock monetization options for their videos. Applying for the YouTube Partner Program. Once a creator meets the eligibility requirements, they can apply for the YouTube Partner Program through their YouTube Studio account. YouTube will then review their channel to ensure it complies with the platform's policies and guidelines. The review process may take several weeks. Monetization options. Upon acceptance into the YouTube Partner Program, creators gain access to various monetization options, including ad revenue. Creators can earn money from advertisements that are displayed on their videos. YouTube places ads based on viewer demographics and content relevance. Channel memberships. Creators can offer channel memberships, allowing fans to become paying members and receive exclusive perks in return. Merchandise shelf. Creators can showcase their merchandise directly on their channel, making it easier for fans to purchase branded products. Super Chat and Super Stickers. During live streams, viewers can buy Super Chats and Super Stickers to have their messages highlighted and support the creator. Advertiser-friendly content. To maintain eligibility for the YouTube Partner Program, creators must ensure that their content is advertiser-friendly and complies with YouTube's policies. Content that violates guidelines or contains sensitive or inappropriate material may be demonetized or removed. Revenue sharing. YouTube shares the revenue generated from ads with creators who participate in the YouTube Partner Program. The exact revenue share percentage varies, but creators generally receive a portion of the ad revenue based on factors such as ad impressions and viewer engagement. By understanding the YouTube Partner Program, content creators can take steps to meet the eligibility requirements and unlock monetization options for their videos, allowing them to earn money from their content and potentially grow their channels as sustainable businesses. Mastering YouTube SEO and content strategy. Mastering YouTube SEO, search engine optimization, and content strategy is essential for content creators to increase their videos' visibility, reach a broader audience, and ultimately grow their YouTube channel. Here's an overview of how to master YouTube SEO and content strategy. Keyword research. Keyword research involves identifying the most relevant and popular keywords or phrases that are related to your video's content. Use tools like YouTube's Keyword Planner, Google Trends, or third-party SEO tools to find keywords that have a high search volume and match your video's theme. Video title optimization. Craft an attention-grabbing and descriptive video title that includes your primary keyword. The title should be clear, concise, and engaging, enticing viewers to click and watch your video. Engaging thumbnails. Create eye-catching thumbnails that reflect the content of your video and encourage viewers to click. Use bold visuals, text overlay, and high-quality images to make your thumbnails stand out in search results and on the YouTube homepage. Write a comprehensive video description that includes relevant keywords and provides additional context about your video's content. YouTube uses the description to understand what your video is about, so make it informative and engaging. Use relevant tags and hashtags that describe your video's content accurately. Tags help YouTube's algorithm understand your video's topic and can improve its visibility in search results and related videos. Adding closed captions and transcripts to your videos not only makes them more accessible but also helps YouTube's algorithm understand the video's content better, leading to improved search rankings. Keep your videos engaging and focused to retain your audience's attention. Longer watch times and higher audience retention rates signal to YouTube that your content is valuable, potentially improving search rankings. Consistency is key to building an engaged audience. Stick to a regular uploading schedule to train your viewers to expect new content from your channel. This can lead to higher watch times and increased subscriber loyalty. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe. Engaging with your audience fosters a sense of community, which can lead to higher engagement and better search rankings. Share your videos on social media, embed them on your website or blog, and collaborate with other creators to increase their reach and visibility. This can help boost your video's performance and improve its chances of ranking higher in search results. By mastering YouTube SEO and content strategy, content creators can effectively optimize their videos for better visibility, reach a wider audience, and potentially grow their channel more rapidly. It's an ongoing process that involves continuous refinement and adaptation to changing trends and audience preferences. Leveraging ad revenue on YouTube is one of the primary ways content creators can monetize their videos and earn money from their channel. YouTube's ad revenue system allows creators to display advertisements on their videos, and they earn a share of the revenue generated from those ads. Here's how to effectively leverage ad revenue on YouTube. 1. Enable monetization. To start earning ad revenue, content creators must first enable monetization on their YouTube channel. This is done by joining the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, and meeting the eligibility requirements, such as having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. 2. Ad types. YouTube offers different types of ads that can appear on videos. These include skippable ads, non-skippable ads, display ads, overlay ads, bumper ads, and more. Creators can choose which ad formats they allow on their videos, balancing viewer experience with revenue potential. 3. Ad placement. The placement of ads within a video can impact viewer engagement and ad revenue. Creators can choose to insert ads at the beginning, middle, or end of their videos. Strategic ad placement ensures ads don't disrupt the viewer's experience while still generating revenue. 4. Monitor ad performance. YouTube Analytics provides valuable insights into ad performance, including ad revenue, ad click-through rates, and ad impressions. Creators should regularly monitor these metrics to understand how ads are performing and optimize their ad strategy accordingly. 5. Balance ad frequency. While ad revenue is essential, bombarding viewers with too many ads can lead to a negative user experience. Striking a balance between generating revenue and maintaining a positive viewer experience is crucial for long-term channel growth. Encouraging viewers to engage with ads can boost ad revenue. For instance, viewers who click on ads or watch them in their entirety may generate higher revenue for the creator. However, creators should never incentivize or force viewers to click on ads, as it violates YouTube's policies. Content creators should consider expanding their reach by enabling monetization in multiple countries. Ad revenue can vary based on the country of the viewer, so targeting international audiences can increase overall earnings. While ad revenue is a valuable source of income, creators should also explore other monetization options, such as merchandise sales, channel memberships, and sponsored content. Diversifying revenue streams can provide additional income and reduce reliance solely on ad revenue. Building a sustainable and successful YouTube channel involves long-term planning and consistent content creation. Creators should focus on producing high-quality, engaging content that attracts a loyal audience, leading to higher watch times and increased ad revenue. Congratulations! You now know the secrets to making money on YouTube. Implement these tips to unlock your channel's full earning potential. Remember, consistency, passion, and audience engagement are key to YouTube's success. Subscribe for more valuable content.